I love a good journal, and I love journals that give positive energy, good vibes. This little notebook with Good Morning Sunshine. It is visually appealing, beautiful color, beautiful gold foil, just very, very nice. It screams, hey, I've got my life together, or I'm working on it. But very nice or easy to scribble grocery lists, reminders, like return your library books, but 240 lined pages, plenty of space for genius thoughts or amazing doodles, 8 inches by 6 inches, purse friendly, bag friendly, but not too small. You could actually write in it. Sturdy hardcover, and you're not gonna crinkle it or ruin it because it is able to be tossed in a bag. Simple, cute. It really is going to get the job done without taking itself so seriously. I love the inspiration on the cover. Good Morning Sunshine. You just want to smile at this. I just love it.